This is the 3-pack of the Topwater Fraud fishing lures. These look like really great fishing lures. And I'm just building up my tackle box here, just newly into fishing. This brand was recommended to me by some friends who are in the fishing, and just looks like really nice Topwater lures. I'm focusing on bass fishing where I'm doing the fishing here, and this is exactly what I was looking for. These come in a 3-pack, and I did have another fraud lure that came with like an all-in-one kit, and it was definitely not as nice as these. You could see the feet have weights on them. The hooks are really nice. The round part right here where the line is going to go on, these are just made really well. You can see you get 3 of them right here, a couple different variations in colors, but overall I'm very pleased with these. Like I said, I'm just building up my tackle box, just getting into fishing, just doing it from time to time, but doing it a little bit more. So I just want to have some good lures, and this is a really nice addition. So if you're looking for the Topwater fishing fraud lures, absolutely want to check this out. This is the box they come in. This is how they're packaged here. If you're doing this for a gift for somebody, this is what it looks like. But overall, very pleased with these so far. Definitely want to check these out.